day all. Our objectives for today will be to 1. Discuss the events happened concerning early ocean exploration. 2. Write 2 organized paragraphs on the early ocean exploration. First, observe the following pictures and tell what you see and what you think about them. The first picture shows a small ship. It also shows fish and squid. This picture dates back to ship used 4000 BCE. The second picture shows something like a bell. It also shows a man inside it. The picture dates back to something which was used 325 BCE. This picture shows something like the binoculars or goggles. It looks old. It used 200 CE. This picture shows a man moving, maybe underwater. He is wearing something over his head. This is a drawing on something happened in 1535. This picture shows people who are coming for fighting. There is a sea behind them. The drawing is on something happened in 1002 CE. This picture shows a ship, an old ship. Magellan is written under the drawing of the ship. This drawing is about something happened in 1519 CE. What's common among all of these pictures? All of these pictures date back to ancient times. The sea theme is common among all of these pictures. 3 of those pictures involve instruments used for diving in the sea. 2 of the pictures include ships which are used to sail in the sea or ocean. Thus, all the pictures are concerned with sea and ocean exploration. In 500 BCE, ocean diving begins in present-day Greece and China for gathering food and for trading. In 4000 BCE, the first sailing vessels are developed in ancient Egypt. 1000 BCE, deep diving begins in ancient Greece to obtain sponges. Sponge divers hold onto a heavy rock and dive to depths of 30 meters, cutting as many sponges as possible before they run out of breath. In 600 BCE, ancient Phoenicians developed first sea routes around the Mediterranean into the Red Sea and the Indian Ocean. In 325 BCE, the first use of a diving bell. Alexander the Great makes use of a crude diving bell during his siege of Tyre. Divers clear debris around his ship. In 200 CE, the first use of goggles indicated on Peruvian pottery showing divers wearing goggles. In 900 CE, Vikings begin expeditions to colonize Iceland, Greenland, and Newfoundland. In 1002 CE, Leif Erikson lands in North America. Erikson names the land Vinland and establishes a settlement in what is present-day Canada. In 1492 CE, Christopher Columbus sails across the Atlantic looking for a passage India and China. He discovers the Americas instead. In 1498 CE, Vasco da Gama sails around the Cape of Good Hope on the southern tip of Africa, becoming the first European to reach India by ship. In 1519 CE, Ferdinand Magellan departs from Portugal to sail around the world. He does not reach his goal and dies in 1521 in the Philippines. In 1535 CE, Guglielmo de Lorena invents the first true diving bell, which rests on the diver's shoulders and provides enough air for an hour's dive. Now, timeline shows important events concerning sea explorations in addition to mentioning important tools invented that time for this sake. You are supposed to write 2 paragraphs on early sea explorations. One of them would be listing the events happened and the other would be listing the invention. Rules of writing a paragraph. Start your paragraph with a topic sentence summarizing the content of each paragraph. Use transitions to move from one event to another or from one invention to another. Use the prepositions of time and place to indicate when and where each event happened or each invention made.